Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you guys have been doing well. It's that time of the year where we get our next release of Maximum Gold for Yu-Gi-Oh! So since my first video here on the channel was the first Maximum Gold, it only makes sense that I come back and do another opening for the new one, Dorado. So here we got our own display box. Since I want to make sure this video isn't too long, we're gonna do a thing, see if it works. I've seen other people do it, and let's see if it works. Okay, so I guess that last snap didn't work. There's still one left over. We'll just open it here, just like as is. Don't want to waste another snap on this. Ooh, fancy. Fancy. Let's see. So this time, this one comes with 4 packs as opposed to the last one that only came with 3. Look at all that. Look at all that. All that bling. So we should have 20 packs. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Alright, so here we go. First display box. We should have another one, but I think I might save that one. I don't know, we'll see. If I get maybe enough likes or comments, just a few to see another opening of this, then I'll probably just do it then. All right, first one. Let's see what we get. We have Xcode Talker, Elixir of White Destiny, Numeron Calling, Dorado Adelantado. I don't know. And our first one is a Black Rose. Ooh, that one looks a little busted there. That's not so good. Has a little chip there. That's unfortunate. But all right. Have a Ray. And Prank Kids, a Weather Washer. Okay. That was kind of weird. The first one having that little ding at the top. Let's hope we don't get any more of those. Next one. An Ultrageist Pony. Oh, Fossil Dino. Cool. So Prank Kids. Oh, Lambda. Nice. Ah, man. Chamber Dragon Maiden. Very nice. These ones are still selling pretty well, I believe. Last I checked, they're like 15 maybe plus. Cool. Flame Lord Zeta and Giant Rex. Hopefully we don't see too many dinos. Not really that big of a fan of dinos. And I think my last opening I did, I got a bunch of it. You guys want to take a guess on how many Code Talkers or Anacondas we get? Let me know down in the comments. We have our first one. What is this? Number C, Numeron, Chaos Gate, Sunya. Oh, cool. Archfiend Abyss. Trisha Love. You have Super Dreadnought and Conquistador. That one looks like it's a little scratched up there too. Put those two down here. Yeah, I hope this isn't a trend for this stuff. That would not be cool. Zolkin. Dropsies. Mystic Mine, gross. Meow Meow. Ew, another Lagia. Dinos. And this stuff. A rainbow. Get that one. Okay, we got Majesty Fiend, Prank Kids Prank, Ghost Mourner. Ooh, that looks pretty cool. Urgent Schedule, number 9. Oh, sweet. The alternate art Eldritch, the Golden Lord. Yo, look at this guy. Dude looks like a boss. And Upstart Goblin. Alright, that pack was a lot better. Let's keep that momentum going. Whoa, whoa. Another X-Coat Talker. Elixir. Prank Kids Rocket Ride. Cyber's Gadget with a little thing on his name. Scrap Chimera. Ooh, sweet. Pot of Extravagance. And a Charmer. Alright, alright. We started off a little shaky with that first pack, but it's getting better now. It is getting better. Alright. We got an Ancient Cloak, Black Rose Normal Art, and Eldritch Fusion. Deep Sea Diva. Hey! Psyframe Gear Gallons. Numeron Network. And Weather Washer. Let's see. Got Weather Cloudy Canvas. Another Black Rose Normal Art. Number 2, Numeron Gate. Babysaurus. Ooh, that one has a little chip on his corner too. Yikes. And the alternate art Danger Bigfoot. Yo, this guy looks weird. It's chunky. Charmer, Hospitality. Come on, where is the Anaconda and the Coat Talker? Ultra guys. Ooh, that one's dinged up too there. Another dino. Wrong Coat Talker, sorry. I should have said Axis Coat Talker, not just Coat Talker. Book of Moon is in a gold rare, premium gold. Prank Kids. Hey. Aquaro of the Golden Man. Okay. So we are almost halfway. Ooh, this one has like a lot of air. This thing. Okay, we have number 3. Ooh, cool, Trap Tricks. Another Altergeist. Weather Painter Snow. And it's a spell. Oh, another Pot of Extravagance. I'll take it. Prank Kids Battle Butler. And this guy. This guy seems like he's been through hell. Okay, that big railgun. Elemental Hero Neos. Elixir Scarlet Sanguine. Altergeist. Torrential Tribute and Premium Gold. That looks awesome. And this guy, man, you just cannot have a good day. Hey, Raid Raptor. another Guardian of the Gold. Actually, that's our first one. Yeah, these corners are a bit dinged. Focus, focus. Prank Kids drop. Rescue Cat. Oh, sweet, the alternate out. That looks pretty nice. Look at that. It's a good kitty. Numeron Calling. Exodia, the Forbidden One. Weather Painter. And hey, like this one again. More weather stuff. Alright. Next one. Hey, is that a 6 Samurai? Oh shoot, it is. Nice. More weather stuff. Phantom Knights of Breaksword. That's pretty cool. Ooh, Lagia. Bright Gate Key. Oh, that looks so nice. That looks super nice. Just the art just really popping. Zeta and another Rex. Let's see what we get next. Still no Anacondas or Quote Talkers, but we do have a two pot of Extravagance. We get a playset. Ancient Gear Fusion. Micro Talker. Weather Painter. Rainbow. Scrap Golem. Charmer. And... oh, shoot. Destiny Hero Plasma. Oh, man. That thing is pretty busted, though. Look at that top part over here. That's unfortunate. And this guy again. Now we got a playset of him. Got Dropsies, Almirage, another Trishula, Broken Line, another Book of Moon, and Romulus. I didn't know Romulus was in this. And an Ultimate Goblin. Final 5. Number 3. Scrap Wyvern. Oh, sweet. Look, yeah, I kind of want this one. Alternate Art Nightmare Unicorn. Look at that with her writing on the back there. Number 9. And that's another Scrap Chimera. Ultrageist, Hot Red Dragon, Bane. The final 4. Okay, Constellar M7. What is this? What is this? Don't remember this one. The Math Mac, huh? Alright. Looks pretty crazy. Got this guy here, another Charmer, Magical Dimension, and another Charmer, and a Hospitality. Alright, number 3, Ultimate Conductor Tyranno, Hot Red Dragon Arching Calamity, Code Talker, wrong one. Ooh, nice. Red Eyes Black Dragon. I think this is the first time we've seen this arch here. That looks badass. I'll take that. Number 1, Aquero again. You know, one thing we haven't really seen is any Invocation, which is a bit disappointing as well. Invocation would be pretty dope. What else is there? Masquerena, I haven't seen that one yet either. This one has like a line going right through the middle. Not sure if you guys can see that. It's like a line like right there. That is super weird. Cloak. This one has a line too. Going on this side though. Like right by his tail all the way up from the M. And another alternate art, Nightmare Unicorn. Luckily, this one I don't see any lines or anything on it, so we'll take that. Charmer, Numeron Calling, another alternate Black Rose Dragon. This one seems to be in better condition than the other one. Oh, actually, hey, it's crooked. Sure, you can see the corners, but like there's like more gold on this side and less gold on that side. It's like tilted just a little bit this way. Like instead of being like this, it should be more like this. All right, last one. This is it. This is the one. Frame Driver. Eva, okay. Okay, so far all these cards are different. We haven't seen them. 27. Ah, another Trishula. That's 3 of them. Wow. Numeron Calling. Effect Monster. And Scrap Chimera. Alright, I think that's gonna be it for this opening. Like I said, if we get enough either likes or comments on this, just a few, doesn't have to be a lot, then I will open the other one as well. But yeah, till then, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.